Yes, farmers in Cameroon have faced a lot of difficulties in growing crops, especially those in the rural areas. They face a lot of difficulties such as a ready market, such as lack of modern materials and tools. As such, Njile Broker Services decided to come up with a product called the Dawn. As the name implies, Dawn, a new era in Cameroon in agriculture.
Je suis Dieudonné Bana. Je fais dans l'agriculture en tant que technicien, mais j'ai plusieurs spécialités. Précisément où nous nous retrouvons là, je suis dans l'ananas.
Okay, I got the seed from Zombe farmers. Zombe farmers, the Zombe plantation. I got them like 25 each. Okay, per seed. But depending on the payment, because if you try to get them on June or July, they will cost more. Okay, because there is no seed in that period. Right. So you have to choose the best period to get the seed. Right, less costly.
This project is targeted to farmers, especially those in the rural areas.
I am Nakanda Nejut, CEO of J. Elowins Group. I'm a partner with Njile Brokers, and I'm very happy partnering with them. Njile Broker is a company with portfolio, and like he rightly said, the major goal is to help our community and also to give farmers here the solutions they best need in order to get their crops and produce properly.
I'm called Abanki Soupe. I'm a member of the Dawn project.
Everyone, this is Tabel Williams Nga. I am the Public Relations Officer of Njile Broker Service. I'm a member of the Dawn project. We are here at the pineapple farm and trying to help farmers have more product and help them in their projects and see how we can integrate more youth into agriculture in Cameroon.
It's targeted to orphanages and prisoners. Why prisoners? You know, we realize that when prisoners serve their term and they are being released to the society treat them as outcasts.
En ce qui concerne l'ananas, nous avons plusieurs espèces. Et le champ que vous voyez est une conception du plan que j'ai eu à mettre sur pied. Les difficultés que nous rencontrons sont beaucoup plus liées au sol, parce que le sol ici est trop sablonneux et n'est pas compatible pour plusieurs cultures.
So first of all, I would like to thank Project Dawn to come down to my plantation here at PK 21, Bobongo village in the Yabasi division of Littoral region. There is a lot of difficulties we farmers here in Bobong village we are facing. The first of one is the road. There is no road at all to get land. That means the second problem is getting land. There is no properties we can get easy here in Bobong village, as we know Cameroon is facing land problems. So the third problem is the seeds. There is no organization, public or private ones, near our plantations where you can get seeds easily or less costly.
We will teach prisoners some of the farming techniques, the farming methods, why they are still serving their terms, so that as soon as they get released, they can actually get involved into an activity which is agriculture. You know, we are going to provide them the means of agriculture such as seeds, farming methods, mentoring, and a ready market.
Nous avons aussi besoin de produits tels que des fongicides et des insecticides pour combattre certaines maladies liées à la plante et qui sont dues par des criquets migrateurs.
I hope Dawn project will bring me solution at least in two problems. The first one, I would like them I'd like to thank them to getting me more closer to sit. So by the end, I hope Down project can bring me to the finance, because as you can see, it's only 1 hectare. It's only 130, or I'd like to do more, but I'm lacking finance.
Le problème le plus coriace même, ou alors le plus dur, ce sont les moyens, le financement pour pouvoir investir. Parce qu'avoir un champ comme celui-ci n'est pas quelque chose de très facile. Nous aurons dû faire un peu plus que ça, mais les moyens ont manqué. Donc, nous croyons qu'avec votre appui, nous pourrons désormais pallier à ce véritable problème. Nous vous disons merci.
There is a need for us to cooperate with farmers in order to make Cameroon sustainable. There is a need for us to cooperate with farmers in order to increase the standard of living of farmers. There is a need for us to cooperate with them in order to increase their disposable income. So we decided to launch a project. This project is just all about giving farmers seeds, giving farmer mentoring, because some of these farmers, they have the desire to work, but they don't know how to go about it.
A new era of agriculture has come to Cameroon. Serving the community is our obligation. Going over the horizon and reaching the country.
This project is just all about farmers, especially youths and women, orphanages and prisoners. And the benefits are mind-blowing.